यूरोप ऑलमोस्ट हर इंडियन के ट्रैवल चेकलिस्ट में तो होता ही है, बट ज्यादातर हमको पता ही नहीं होता कि लेसर नोन और वैल्यू फॉर मनी यूरोपियन कंट्रीज कौन सी हैं और उनको कैसे एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। थ्रिलिंग वाटरफॉल्स, पिक्चरस्क आइलैंड्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ फैंटेसी टीवी ड्रामा, ऑल पैक्ड इनटू वन ट्रिप। हेलो अनट्रैवलर्स, मैं हूं अभिषेक, और अगर आज आप मेरी एक फेवरेट कंट्री एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए तैयार हैं तो चलते हैं फिर। क्रोएशिया मैप्स में दिखती तो ये छोटी सी है, बट दिस मेस्मराइजिंग कंट्री इज फुल ऑफ नेशनल पार्क, स्मॉल वाइब्रेंट टाउन्स, नेचुरल वंडर्स एंड वे टू मेनी आइलैंड्स. No wonder Croatia attracts visitors from all over the world. This crescent-shaped country is located in the northwestern part of the Balkan Peninsula. वैसे तो there is an excellent public transport network around Croatia and you can travel by air, train, bus or ferry. But as always, for me the best way to get around is by car. Scenic routes and flexibility, उसी में तो मजा है. The roads are great throughout, but हाँ major cities या tourist destination में parking मिलने में थोड़ी problem हो सकती है. For a 10 days road trip, we paid around 40,000 rupees for a big size sedan. If you are planning to visit multiple European countries which are covered under the Schengen visa, तो एक बात याद रहे, if Croatia is your first destination in Europe, then आपको अलग से Croatian visa चाहिए होगा. But if you are visiting Croatia after you have visited another Schengen country, then your Schengen visa is enough to visit Croatia also. वैसे तो Croatia is filled with many jaw-dropping destinations to explore, but आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा about 3 places which I absolutely loved. Plitvice Lakes National Park. One of the oldest and largest, this is a UNESCO recognized national park. It's famous for 16 lakes, 90 waterfalls and the uninterrupted and truly divine beauty. वैसे तो यहाँ की entrance fee keeps changing, but it is usually around 250 Croatian kuna or around 2900 Indian rupees. अगर आपको Plitvice ढंग से explore करना है तो you should stay overnight somewhere nearby and visit the park early in the morning. We stayed at this B&B and paid 5,000 rupees per night. Plitvice काफी बड़ा है and there are countless trails that you can walk. The trails are of different difficulty levels and duration. Every year, this alluring park gets around 1 million visitors coming to celebrate the beauty of this park. But in the recent times, uncontrolled tourism has become a major challenge, and I sincerely hope that the authorities address the issue through immediate and responsible measures. Dubrovnik is another UNESCO-recognized city and one of the most popular destinations in the Mediterranean Sea. अगर आप die hard Game of Thrones fan हैं, तब तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपने Dubrovnik के बारे में सुना ना हो. But when you are planning to explore the walled city, just remember that the early you start, the better. Dubrovnik is very famous destination. It attracts lot of crowd and daytime में तो it often gets packed. So wake up and start as early as possible to make the best of this place. The GOT tour will take you all around King's Landing, Red Keep and a number of other iconic spots. Apart from the walled city, we went up to the SRD mountain to get a bird's eye view of Dubrovnik. यहाँ का main viewpoint crowded हो सकता है, so instead of going there, we found a spot with an excellent view of the city and the sea to watch the sunset from and avoided the crowds entirely. Walled city के अंदर accommodation और food काफी expensive है, so we stayed just outside the old town but had an amazing view of it and saved quite a sum on accommodation. Our stay at this 2-bedroom apartment costed 9,000 rupees per night. क्रोएशिया में थर्ड और मेरी मोस्ट फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन है ब्राच आइलैंड. इस जगह के बारे में मैं जितना ही कहूँ वो कम ही पड़ेगा. यहाँ की ऑथेंटिक आइलैंड वाइब्स, स्मॉल विलेज फील्स, हार्ट वार्मिंग एंड काइंड पीपल एंड प्रिस्टीन बीचेस विल ट्रांसपोर्ट यू समवेयर you have never been before. The only drawback of visiting Brač is that you may be heartbroken when you leave. Brač का main attraction है Zlatni Rat or the Golden Horn Beach, one of the world's most famous and definitely my favorite beach of all time. But for me, the best experience of Brač were visiting the small hamlets to explore the core of Croatian culture and the olive oil tour. Brač में एक olive oil museum भी है, and while it does sound weird, but unexpectedly we love the experience. We stayed at a cozy homestay with gorgeous sea views for rupees 7,000 per night. Compared to some of the other Eastern European countries, Croatia थोड़ा सा expensive तो है, but it is still affordable. One Croatian kuna equals 11.6 INR. A meal for two costs around 200 kuna or 2300 rupees. An average hotel is somewhere close to 650 kuna or 7000 rupees. But in general, prices are high near the popular tourist attractions and quite inexpensive at the other places. क्रोएशिया का cuisine काफी different है. Every region has their own distinct traditions. Mainland Croatia is influenced by Hungarian and Turkish cuisine and coastal cuisine is influenced by Italian. मगर क्रोएशिया में अगर कोई एक must try dish है, then that is black risotto. Made with cuttlefish or squid, it has an intense seafood flavor और dish का color इतना black है that your teeth can also turn black for a bit after eating it. अगर आप कभी क्रोएशिया नहीं गए हैं तो ऑनेस्टली मैं आपसे थोड़ा सा जेलस तो हूँ, बिकॉज व्हेन यू गो यू गेट टू एक्सप्लोर द मैजिक एंड वंडर ऑफ इट राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट। अभी के लिए बस इतना ही, बट जल्दी मिलता हूँ यूरोप की एक ऐसी ही लाइवली और फैसिनेटिंग कंट्री स्लोवेनिया के साथ। तब तक के लिए बी काइंड, बी थैंकफुल एंड बी हैप्पी।